Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about DIY projects and creative ideas. Today, we're excited to share with you our latest adventure, converting our garage into a wood and metal working workshop. Now, let me tell you, this project has been a true labor of love. We've been working tirelessly to transform this space into a haven for all things wood and metal. And guess what? We've even managed to score some free lumber from our amazing neighbors. That's right! We've been able to keep our costs down by utilizing this fantastic resource. We're so thrilled with the progress we've made so far, and we can't wait to show you the finished product. Stay tuned for more updates on our workshop transformation. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome DIY projects and ideas. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.